Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys three button layout setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show guys how can you change guys your three button layout style in your Realme phone guys. As you want to change the style and icon, so as you can change it. So friends, you can see your back button is here and guys home button and is there. So as you want to change into guys back button here and get this home button you want to change here. So guys you can change it, and guys now let's see how to change this button layout style. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. And guys you can see guys your system settings. So guys tap here, system navigation. Guys click on this button layout settings. So guys you can change from here guys. So guys you can see your button layout. Guys, so your back button is here. So as you can back from here, and guys you can see home and screen close app button is here. So like that guys you can change your button layout style guys. You can see guys back button was there and guys now back button is here. So I hope friends you have understood how to change button layout style in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.